Okay, number 10, simplifying radical expressions. So we have 10 square root 3 minus 6 square root 27. In order to subtract radicals, they have to be radicals that are alike. They have to be the same radical. So therefore, what's up under the radical symbol needs to be the same number. 3 and 27, those are not the same. So we can simplify the square root of 27 by factoring it out. So 27, we know we can get that by saying 9 times 3. 9 is a perfect square. 3 times 3. Since that's a pair, when we look for these pairs, remember when a pair is created, that gets to go outside. So now all you're left with inside is this one lonely 3. So now we've got 10 square root 3 minus 6 times the 3 that we got to pull out from having the pair. And then our new radical is the 3 that was left by itself. So we can simplify this further. 10 square root 3 minus 6 times 3 is 18 square root 3. Now we have radicals that are alike and we can subtract. So 10 minus 18 gives us negative 8. And then we just bring down the 3. And you're all done with this one. Over here, we have, on the right-hand side, we have 5 square root 100 plus 6 square root 32. Well, the first thing I notice is that the square root of 100, that's a perfect square because you get that by having 10 times 10. So 10 times 10, that creates the pair that lets the number go out of the radical symbol. So it gets to go outside. So now we just have 5 times 10. We know that 5 times 10 is 50. So we're done with that side for right now. We're going to look at the 6 square root 32, and we can simplify this as well. So we're going to factor the 32. That's going to be 4 times 8. 4 is a perfect square. 2 times 2. So that creates a pair. We know that the 2 will get to go outside. Go ahead and draw the arrow up to the top to show you that it's going outside. This 8 can be factored further. 4 times 2. And the 4 can be factored further. It's a perfect square of 2 times 2 again. So since we have that pair of 2's, we know one of the 2's gets to go outside up here with the 6 as well. So now we've got 6 times 2 times 2, and then all that's left in the radical symbol is this 2 over here that's by itself. So let's simplify that. 6 times 2 times 2, well 6 times 2 gives us 12, and 12 times 2 gives us 24. Bring down your 2 that's in the radical. Okay, now you bring down this 50. And since these are not actually like terms, they don't have the same radicand, then that means you can't actually add them and you're going to leave them just like this. So you simplified them, but you can't actually combine the two terms. So 50 plus 24 square root 2.